Have you ever felt jealous of someone? Maybe they achieved something more than you, or they seemed more successful than you. Jealousy starts as a small feeling, but if we let it grow, it can destroy us. That's exactly what happened in one of the first stories of humanity between two brothers, Kabil and Habil. Assalamu alaikum everyone. The Surah Al-Maida speaks about the story of the two brothers. Adam alayhi salam had two sons, Kabil the elder and Habil the younger. They were very different. Habil was kind, honest, and always tried to do what was right. Kabil, however, was impatient and often let his anger and jealousy overpower him. One day Allah commanded both the brothers to offer a sacrifice. This test was to see who is more sincere. Habil, wanting to please Allah, chose the best of his flock, strong and a healthy ram. But Kabil, unwilling to part with anything valuable, chose weak crops, something he did not care about much. Allah accepted Habil's sacrifice but rejected Kabil's. This movement changed everything. Instead of asking why his sacrifice was rejected, he allowed anger to overpower him and control him. Jealousy burned inside him. How could be my younger brother better than him? Blinded by envy, Kabil's heart darkened. He approached Habil and in a fit of rage struck him down, committing the first murder in the history of humankind. But the moment it was done, Kabil felt something inside his heart that he has never felt before. Regret. He did not know what to do. His brother's lifeless body was laying down before him, and for the first time he realized the horror of what he had done. Allah in his mercy sent him down a crow. The birds crashed at the earth, showing Kabil how to bury his brother's body. Watching the crow, Kabil finally understood his mistake, but it was too late. His jealousy has led him to do something that he cannot undo. Now this story teaches us a very powerful lesson. If Kabil had focused on improving himself instead of comparing himself with his brother Habil, his life would have been different. But he let jealousy win. We too feel envy sometimes, but the question is, what do we do with it? Do we let it control us, or do we use it to become better? The Quran reminds us that Allah's blessing is endless. What is meant for you will always reach you. No one can take it away from you. So this Ramadan, let's reflect. When we see someone succeed, do we feel jealous, or do we learn from it? Do we compare ourselves with others, or we strive to become a better version of ourselves? Remember, true success is not taking it from others. It's growing within ourselves.